Hey, y'all. Unit 1 project, rhetorical analysis of the Declaration of Independence. Uh, this is a big one. It's a good one. It's challenging, and it's definitely appropriate for this class. And I'm really excited for you to get into this because I find it super interesting. I know you probably won't, but it's next level stuff and something that is really important. I think. What we're going to do for this assignment is you're going to analyze the Declaration of Independence for specific examples of rhetorical appeals, and I'll explain what all those are here in a second. Thomas Jefferson was very deliberate in the way that he wrote the Independence Declaration of Independence. He used these specific rhetorical tools to make people buy into, I guess, what he was trying to sell. Right? He's selling independence, selling the reason that the United States is becoming the United States. The reason the colonies are separating from England, and as we saw in our actual writing in independence, our own declaration activity, or if you will see, I forget where it falls in this right off the top of my head, but there are specific reasons or specific steps that he took. So I've given you for this activity. I have given you. Well, let's pull the worksheet up so you can see it a little bit better. So when you first get this assignment, you're gonna click on this worksheet here. It's gonna pop up. It's gonna ask you to make a copy because I don't want you to mess up my original. And then you'll get a document that looks like this, and it's on Google Sheets. So it'll allow you to fill out each one of these boxes. And I've done the first one for you. The appeal, these are the specific wording from the document, from the Declaration of Independence. There's 11 of them. There's actually 10 that you have to do. Because I did 4 through 15 is 11, I think, or what. Anyway, you're going to come up with these appeals. So this assignment is going to take a little bit of work. You're going to look at each one of these assignments, each one of these words. Uh, um, each one of these quotes from the Declaration, and you're going to first explain what the appeal is, what type of appeal, what methods or techniques make the appeal effective. What is it about the great, and then how does this appeal contribute to and effectively convey the message? Um, so I've done the first one for you. So when in the course of human events it becomes necessary for one people to dissolve the political bands which have connected them with another, and to assume among the powers of earth the separate and equal station to which the laws of nature and nature's God entitle them, a decent respect to the opinions of mankind requires that they should declare the causes. This is logos, and you'll probably go on, whatever. I don't know what logos, pathos, or ethos are. Well, I'm going to give you a sheet here in a second. It's attached to this video here, and it gives you and I'm going to go through this and explain this to you. This is going to be a little bit of a lengthy video, but it's really important information. And actually, you know what? I'm going to make a separate video that goes along with this video that you'll need to watch, and helps you understand what rhetorical appeals are. So you're going to watch the same amount of time. It's just going to be split up in two, so you don't have to watch the two longer things. So your job basically for this assignment is to fill in the blanks for all of these things. It's worth 100 points. It's a project for sure. And after you watch the next video that explains what rhetorical appeals are, and you still have questions, reach out. So again, there's two videos that you need to watch. This one, which you're quizzed over, and the rhetorical appeals, which is just going to be a video that explains what rhetorical appeals are and includes not a worksheet, but an information sheet on those rhetorical appeals. And lastly, you got to know this. When does a joke become a dad joke? When it becomes apparent.